cybercriminals target you, they don't just take over your devices and systems. They also want to mimic your browser session. Have you ever seen this message? Your browser did not shut down correctly. Click here to restore your previous session. Browsers remember you. Hackers use that stored session to open the tabs you were using last and then steal information like your credit card and address. Criminals can gain access to your sessions by finding what's known as a session key hidden within your internet cookies. They can also steal your session cookie from selected websites. You know how you can X out of an online retailer, but your cart will still be there when you come back? That's because of session cookies. Hackers can hijack those cookies and then go to town, perusing the site, buying things under your session ID, or committing other crimes while disguised as you. What can you do to protect yourself against session hacking? Simple. Avoid public Wi-Fi or public computers whenever possible. Use a VPN to disguise your IP address while you're surfing the web. Make sure you're using secure websites with HTTPS in the URL. It's imperative to remember, cybercriminals attack however they can. So, stay alert to help keep your account safe from compromise. Check your email inbox next week for another video short on security threats, breaking news, and tips for staying cyber secure.